welcome back to Makeup Reality. Today we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. As you guys have seen from the title, I am so excited to finally get my Boxycharm. So, little backstory, let's go back and kind of explain. This is the month of May Boxycharm that I am getting now in June. I understand that shipping was slow and everything, but there was a problem actually with FedEx. They had lost my package. So after fighting with them, fighting with Boxycharm, finally getting a resolution and them sending another box out to me, I finally got the box for May. So they said they couldn't give me everything that was originally promised in my box that I was supposed to be getting, which is God knows where, I don't know. But we are getting into this replica box, basically, that we got. So we're going to jump in, see if, the horror stories that I have been hearing are true. I have heard from you guys that it is absolutely horrible. The month of May was just horrific. They don't know what they were thinking. They have no idea what was wrong with Boxycharm and why we were getting all these knockoff brands. And just, I heard some of the products were used. That's disgusting. Like, if that is true and there was used products in Boxycharm, like, that is gross. So, with all of that said, let's jump into the box. Let's see what we got for the month of May. I've already cut her open. We are ready to see what we got. So she was, of course, the corners of the boxes are usually always damaged. I don't know what that is. It says U-line. I don't know. It came like with this. If you guys know what that is, let me know. Because I have no idea and I've never seen that on a Boxycharm box before. But let's go ahead. Let's jump in and see what we got. I've already removed. I went in real quick. I removed the foam so I wasn't fighting with it because I always fight with that foam piece. I don't know why. But let's pull out the first thing that I see, and it is going to be Deborah Lippmann's nail polish. Fire on the horizon and can't stop this feeling. So right away, this is giving me kind of Valentine's Day vibes. So I have a feeling, because it's pink and it's red. Now, I do like a good pink and red nail polish. Do not get me wrong. We're going to go ahead and take her out of the box. Don't get me wrong. I do like a good pink and red moment for my nails. But these two remind me of Valentine's Day. So I almost think, did any of you guys see these on around the Valentine's Day? Like, did I get a leftover box? Because that's what I almost, by looking at it right now, is kind of what I feel like I got. I don't see, and I've never heard of Deborah Lippmann. Of course, I'm not really into nail polish, so I don't know. But yeah, it looks pretty. So the very light pink is the Can't Stop That Feeling shade. And then we have the Fire on the Horizon, which is that kind of a pinky red orange shade, which is really cute. I like both of them. My daughter is super into nail polishes. She's only 2 years old and she will not leave me alone about getting her nails done. So she is a nails type of person and I think she would love those. So I probably will pass them on to her. But the next thing that I see in this box is, what is this? Let's open it up because I have no idea. It says English Laundry No. 7. So I'm assuming it's like a perfume of some sort. Yes. It is a little perfume. It's called English Laundry, which, it's a weird name. Maybe it's like a fresh and clean scent. I have no idea. But English Laundry. Ooh. Okay, that smells really good. I am not mad at that. And it's like those kinds that it can go in your purse, and you know, it can go, it's on the go type of thing. So I'm not mad at that. That smells really good. That's something I would wear. So, okay, cute, cute. Next thing I see here is the Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette. Oh my gosh. It just like, woo, slid right out of there. It is the Cali Chic palette. I like the packaging, like the colors. I like the whole like Cali Chic vibe. That's really cute. Let's go ahead and open her up and go ahead and swatch some. Oh, those are really pretty. I like that. So that is what the palette looks like. And then, you know, it's got a little mirror here, which is nice. I always like a good mirror. Let me go ahead and swatch some of these shades and show you guys what they look like. These metallic, I've never heard of Beauty Creations, but who knows? They could be really good. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. So I'm just going to do kind of like the, oh, wow. The, like the shimmers and the metallics. So we've got kind of an idea of what it is and how it looks. And from right now, what I can see, these are like super, super pigmented. Okay, so these are so pigmented. They swatched really nicely and they are just absolutely gorgeous. So, okay, Beauty Creations. Like, that is so pigmented. I did not expect that. Let's go ahead and swatch a matte shade real quick, just to see, you know, exactly what we're dealing with. Just to get an idea of the mattes as well in here. They're just as pigmented. So that's what the mattes look like. I like that. All right. I'm not mad at that at all. So I'm pretty happy. It did not come with the card, so I don't know the price palette, but that was the Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette. All right, up next we have another palette, and that is the Crown Pro. Again, a name I've never heard of before. I have no idea what this is. This one actually feels a little bit better than that Cali Chic one. The packaging, at least, it feels a little bit more heavy duty, and it's also got a mirror. It's kind of got a like you know, a bronzy type of thing to it. And let me go ahead and swatch these as well. Let's go ahead and swatch a few shimmers, swatch a few of the mattes, and see if this one is just as pigmented as the last. So I'm kind of excited to try these now, to be honest. Like, these look really good. They look very similar in color, so that's kind of disappointing to get, you know, two palettes almost the same. The mattes don't swatch that well, to be honest. I did have to go over them a couple of times. Alright, and so here is the swatches for the Crown Pro palette. These are super pretty, super pigmented, just like I said. What I do like about the Crown palette versus this Cali Chic by Beauty Creations is that there is actually a white shade in here for, it's kind of a shimmer-ish. Shimmer-ish, not really, if that makes any type of sense to y'all. Okay, it is a shimmer-y, I guess, on the skin as well. So it's better than nothing. But that's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me try to dip in again. It's not the most pigmented palette that I've ever seen in my life, but it's not bad. I will say that. It's pretty good. So, the Crown Pro palette. Alright, and last but certainly not least, we have the Murad Hydro Dynamic Ultra Ultimate Moisture for the eyes. Alright, so that's what it looks like, and if y'all know me, y'all have watched my videos before, you know your girl needs the moisture. I need the moisture badly. So I'm super, super excited about this one. Let's see if this one has a seal, because I did get, I keep getting these skincare products with no seal, and I'm like, bro. But yes, it does have a seal, so that makes me happy. Oh, wow. Okay, that looks super, super creamy. I kind of want to try that just on my hand a little bit to see what that's all about, see if there's any greasiness or anything that I don't like. So far, it rubs in really well, kind of, you know, just really gets into the skin. I like that. I've never tried a Murad, you know, anything moisturizing from them, or many of their products, to be honest. I haven't really tried much, but I was wanting to, and I know that we do get some Murad products in Boxycharm sometimes. So I am really happy to have received this. Again, I don't have like a card that tells me what the prices are, the description of the product, anything like that. So your guess right now is as good as mine and with the prices. So honestly, I feel a bit gypped because I've never heard of anything but Murad in this entire box. I didn't get what I picked, unfortunately. Yes, I understand that FedEx lost my box and then they had to send me a replacement. I totally understand that, but it would have been nice to, you know, receive more than just one product that I've heard of before. I kind of feel like these are cheaply made eyeshadow palettes. You know, if I'm being completely honest with you, I wouldn't go out into a store and look for these and buy them. I just wouldn't. It's just not my cup of tea. The English Laundry perfume, I'm not huge into perfume. I like this scent. I'll put it in my purse. That's great. And then the nail polishes, like I said, my 2-year-old daughter is into these more than I am, so I will probably be passing those on down to her. I wasn't really impressed, and I see why you guys were kind of disappointed. I don't know if you guys have received the same box variation or not. I don't know what variation it is because I didn't get a card, unfortunately. That kind of bugs me. And that's one of the reasons why. It's actually Boxycharm has gone downhill. Like, gone downhill. I have literally had the most ridiculous time with their customer service trying to get all this box situation figured out. Like, when I ask a question, they give me this generic answer. Like, I told them, I emailed them, the customer service team, I told them, hey, my box is missing. I literally I told them, I said I spoke to FedEx. They told me that they had no idea where my box was, that it was, you know, in one place on its way to me, then it turned right around and got on the wrong truck, and so now they have no idea where it's at, and that they have lost it. And then when I sent that message to Boxycharm's customer service email, they literally sent me this generic email back saying, oh, you know, we'll get your box shipped as soon as we can. Sometimes all this stuff happens. I'm like, no, you're not understanding. It's not anything to do on your end. FedEx has lost my box. And then they sent me this other generic email that had nothing to do with what we were talking about. And finally, I was getting so upset. They finally emailed me with a correct response saying, hey, you know, we'll get this taken care of. We'll send you a replacement box. That's fantastic. You know, that's great and everything. And then I received this stuff. So nothing that I picked. Unfortunately, I was looking forward to one of my items that I had picked for May, but that's just not going to happen now. And I just got so frustrated with them trying to discuss everything that I just altogether canceled Boxycharm. I'm waiting on my last box, and that is coming to me sometime this month, hopefully. It's the Luxe box. I do have had a Luxe account with them, but I've canceled Luxe and I've canceled my regular Boxycharm. So the Luxe box will be the last box I receive from Boxycharm. You know, I just need to take a break from them. I don't know if I'll go back to Boxycharm, just the way everything went down and how they really kind of suck at getting back to you with all of this stuff. So it was just frustrating, you know, having to basically deal with a robot, I felt like, and not getting the responses that I was hoping for, or at least, you know, pertaining to the question that I asked. That would have been fantastic. But it is what it is, and I've actually signed up with Ipsy, so I'm really excited to get my first box with them. I did the Ultimate Glam Black, that's a tongue twister, Ultimate Glam Bag Plus. I cannot talk. Ultimate Glam Bag Plus. Gotcha. Yes. But yeah, I'm excited to get that this month and see what we got in that box, and I will be unboxing it here on this channel. So look forward to that video coming to ya. But that's all we have in store tonight, guys. Thank you guys very much for watching my really not exciting box. I'm sorry for the disappointment. Like, I'm very disappointed with this box right now, actually. So I'm sorry that it wasn't so exciting. Hopefully when our Ipsy Ultimate Glam Bag Plus gets here, so hopefully that will be more exciting. And I heard with that subscription you actually get a little makeup bag included for free as well, so I'm really excited about that. I have this kind of obsession with makeup bags that I'm really excited to do that. So I'll let y'all know when I get that in the mail, and we will go ahead and unbox that together. But as for this video, guys, we are all finished. Thank you very, very much for watching. If you don't care, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'd really, really appreciate that. It's a little red box over there somewhere in this general, you know, area. I don't know where it's at, but that would mean a lot to me if you guys would go ahead and click that button. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from y'all. Just, you know, how was your weekend? You know, this will probably be Tuesday before I get this posted. I am filming on Sunday, so let me know how your weekend was and if y'all did anything fun. And then if you do enjoy this disappointment of a box, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. And I will catch y'all at the next video. And this was Makeup Reality. Have a great night, y'all. Mwah!